Oh my gosh. Now these are definitely 25 mile an hour wind gusts. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I have never seen that limb that much up before. It has never been that much up in the air before. But it's usually way down, and look at it right now. That limb. It's like up in the air right now. Oh my gosh. My cypress is very flexible today. Yeah, we're just getting some wind gusts. I might do a strong wind gust video later. Maybe. But thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good day.